Guys, see that? I didn't even look at the bunch of this unboxing videos yet. So what we got in the camera. It's good. So you get this look like square on the side. Yeah, okay, so this is what you get. Get all these accessories. This is the mount or something. Let's put that there. And what else it comes with? And you get this wires for you to charge it. USB-C. What is this? Oh, okay, probably for the neck. If you wanna put this in your, like a necklace deal. Interesting. It comes with here. Then you get this, wow, what is this? Oh, okay. I think for the magnet attachments. Interesting. So we're gonna go put this right here. This is my impression of this product. Take that out. And put the metal. And this is the screen. So out of the box, everything like turns on already. So you touch this. Oh, okay, you cannot. So you basically can only go one way too. I thought you can also do this. Okay. It's still locked. Interesting. In my opinion, well, it's different. I don't know if DJ could have called this an Action too. I think they could have named this something different. I mean, compared to the first version, I mean, it's almost the same size. It's actually bigger. So, I don't know if this is what I'm saying. Like, it's actually bigger. Oh, I got an SD card in this one. And very interesting. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it up. This is my impression of it. Feels nice, feels different. And of course, when you get DJI product, you always get something like you paid for, so it's totally worth it. In my opinion. And this is my impression of unboxing this product. And you just totally different. I'm gonna go ahead, and then you can attach this for multiple things. Is this light enough to put this on the Tello? We're gonna figure it out. This will be interesting. Is this light enough to put this on top of the Tello? We're gonna go check it out. Let's get this paper from DJI, instruction, and you get this. Wow, it is light. This is my impression, my experience unboxing this, and my feeling of this product, having multiple from DJI product from the past. Feels different. It's gonna be okay. So it's basically still almost like your big as your iPhone here, and you get this. Oh, that's weird. Just put this outside. You get this USB-C to charge it, and of course this one right here. In my opinion, I don't know why they still have this, because think about it, when you walk around with it, I mean, they could have just have built this in here, you know? So all you have to do is press it and it'll come out. That's my thought of it. It's just weird. It's still big. I don't know. And then you get this for your phone, and you get this, what else can you get from this? I think a cover to cover it down. Well, pretty interesting. Always different from DJI. And then you basically just put this here. I kind of like this better because you can always, and then you just touch it like that. I think, in my opinion. Here. I didn't even balance it yet. Yeah, so but we're gonna go and check it out. I thought it was gonna be a smaller version of this, but having it all up is like still huge. So yeah, very interesting. You know, they can at least detect this on the phone, so you can control it in your phone. Would be great. You know, you don't have to worry about if you, especially when you're using active track, you can actually see yourself as a second camera. I mean, it's like second screen. Just much easier. And in my opinion, I mean, you can actually put this on the, and then you just go ahead and turn it on. It's gonna shake for just a second, trying to align it.